Bendy Baby. What's up? I know what's up. It's all about Boxypopup. I'm just coming on to show you a little clip that Joe put out on Instagram, and just to let you know what's going on with Boxypopup. This is just a short little video, but first I want you to watch what he said about an hour ago.
Alright, so we broke the internet, but the good news is that nothing was sold out or anything like that, so anything you wanted to see, it's still going to be there tomorrow. Unfortunately, those are some of the things that happens when you have a big community and they all come at once, but no worries, we'll be opening it up tomorrow. Hopefully it's going to be okay. Our team is working 24/7. I want to tell you that they've been doing an amazing job. It is always a challenge when you have such an enormous group. I mean, you can see at the size of the form, some of the forms. Imagine what it is when it's actually members from Boxycharm coming from every direction, receiving emails for 2 months, telling them about a particular date. So it is what it is. We'll work on that. We'll fix it. We'll get those products, whatever you want. You can get it. Come over tomorrow on our stories on Instagram and on Facebook. So we will announce when it's going to be back up. We'll know better ourselves to when we will relaunch it. So
Okay, guys, you heard it there. Joe said we broke the internet. Well, he claims that things aren't sold out. I haven't found anyone that purchased anything. I looked on my Instagram channel because I put the question out there, and nobody I have talked to did get to purchase anything. So I really think everything is still like it is. Nothing was sold out because I don't think anybody got to purchase anything. So tomorrow at noon Eastern Standard Time, he will come on and give us more information as to what time we will be able to purchase the products. We're not purchasing at 12. He is just coming on to tell us when things will be ready to go on sale. He might say at 2:30 like today. I have no clue. And then on Wednesday, it will be for everyone to be able to have access to the store on Wednesday. Now remember, also on Wednesday, it's choice time for the December Boxycharm base box. We will have 48 hours to go in and pick the products we are picking if you're getting the base box. Now, many of us are upgraded to the Luxe box, so you won't have to do that because if you're getting Luxe, you're not getting a base box. But for the charmers who do not get Luxe, who just get the base box, you will go in and customize on Wednesday, and it will be open for 2 days, 48 hours. So if you remember last time you used choice, what they do on the top right, you'll see the words choose or choice. It'll be choice. And all you have to do is click choice, and then the products will pop up and you pick your items. So I would check on that bright and early on Wednesday morning. They should have that activated. So they will have a lot of traffic on their site that day. I just want to come on and give you this little bit of information. And if I hear any more, I will keep you informed. Now, I don't know what the choice is for the base box either. I was going to give you that. But the two Storybook Cosmetics mini books are Robin Hood and Little Red Riding Hood. Joe said these were just randomly going to be put in the boxes. You didn't get to pick one or the other. They were going to just put one in. You would get one or the other. So in that, you would have a chance to get the other one in add-on. So we'll just have to wait and see what the two products are for the base box. Another date I want you to mark on your calendar is Monday, November 18th. That is next Monday. It's going to be Boxycharm's premium box choice or customization time. We'll have 24 hours to customize our box, our premium box next Monday. Now, remember, if you're on the waiting list, you will get to customize just like you did last time. And hopefully you will get it this December. If something would happen and we don't get it, we just lose it. But we do customize if we're on the waiting list. the customization product that I know of so far is either Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures palette. It's a limited edition palette, or the Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose that is in Boxy Luxe. If you're getting it in Boxy Luxe, you could get a second copy here, or if you're not on the Luxe list, you can get a copy of it here. So Premium has that as a choice so far. Thank you all for watching. I will keep you informed either by email or by community page. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I kept you pretty informed today. Tomorrow I will start looking out, but I won't get up as early because I got up at 8 o'clock Central Time and waited all day. This was crazy. So hopefully everybody gets to buy something tomorrow or the next day. So make sure to have your phones on if you're at work, and I'll keep you up to date as well as I am.